an exciting episode of Life Hacks with GbagaunMuncher. Now, in today's episode, I'll be talking about the coronavirus, which has sadly come into Africa, Nigeria specifically, from China through an Italian, dispatch. And I was going to talk about how did we allow this come into our country in the first instance. But just let's move on to how can you prevent avoiding getting the disease. Now, a lot of people have been saying, eat lots of garlic, eat lots of onions, eat lots of lime and stuff like that. But those are unverifiable facts. The only verifiable facts we have are two. Number one, your hygiene. Make sure that your hygiene is top notch. Wash your hands.
Yes.
If you can get a hand sanitizer, sadly, hand sanitizers have also become very expensive.
Oh.
I don't know why people are taking advantage of this, but if you can't get a hand sanitizer, make sure you wash your hands and avoid your hands touching your face from time to time. Number two, and most importantly, is to make sure that you avoid public places at this period. And if you can avoid public places, make sure that wherever public place you're going to, you have a mask.
Yes.
Now, sadly, also masks that were going for about 1,500 are now going for like 8,500, 9,000, 11,000. This is sad. The government should do something about this. But boom, I have done the research and I found an alternate method to using masks. Now, this is what I call a booby mask. Now, what is a booby mask? Now, this is what a booby mask looks like. Now, the good thing about the booby mask is that it's available in different sizes, it's available in different shapes, and most importantly, it's available in different colors. So you can actually get a booby mask for, to match whatever you're wearing at the moment. Now, and also, it's also very cheap. It's cheaper than the traditional mask, the green mask that you see. It's cheaper. So, if you can afford that, you can afford this. Now, how do you use the booby mask? Now, hold it up like this. Now, when you hold it up like this, you take one side of it. Now take one side and make sure you put it over your face. Make sure your mouth and nose is covered, your eyes are open. Now take the sides of the rope and make sure that you now take it around your head and just tie it to make sure that it's over your nose. And my booby mask is over my face and I'm protected.
Oh my days,
why, man? Why? I normal.
See you guys on another episode, and please guys, stay safe out there. Coronavirus no go jam us. Can you fuck off? Bye bye.